Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring how to get started with Stockpile, a platform that makes gifting and investing in stocks simple and accessible for everyone. If you're looking for a unique way to give the gift of investing, this tutorial is for you. What is Stockpile? Stockpile is an easy-to-use app that lets you buy, gift, and trade fractional shares of stocks and ETFs. Whether you're introducing someone to investing or managing your own portfolio, Stockpile makes it straightforward. How to get started on Stockpile. 1. Create an account. Visit the Stockpile website or download the app. Sign up for a free account and complete the basic information and identity verification process. 2. Explore stocks and ETFs. Browse their catalog of stocks and ETFs, where you can search by company name, industry, or ticker symbol. Stockpile also offers fractional shares, so you can invest with as little as $5. 3. Gifting stocks. Select Gift Stock and choose a company or ETF to give. Enter the recipient's email address and customize the gift amount. Add a personal message and complete the payment. The recipient will receive an email with instructions to claim their gift. 4. Buy stocks for yourself. If you're investing for yourself, simply choose the stock, enter the amount you'd like to purchase, and confirm the transaction. 5. Manage your portfolio. Track your investments, view your portfolio's performance, and reinvest or sell shares directly within the app. Why choose Stockpile? Stockpile's user-friendly platform makes investing approachable, especially for beginners. Gifting stocks is also a meaningful way to teach others about financial literacy and investing. Have you tried Stockpile? Share your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next one.